Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about how to fix iPhone stuck on home would like to send you critical alerts. When you use the iPhone's Home app to connect smart home accessories, it's convenient for you to control and configure several devices at once. If there is something wrong, the Home app will notify you with urgent home-related alerts. It's nice and sweet, until you find iPhone stuck on home would like to send you critical alerts. What's worse is that iPhone won't allow you to touch the screen or turn off the device. It sometimes appears on the home screen. In other times, Home would like to send you critical alerts stuck on iPhone lock screen, where you can't unlock the device. If you have the same problem, we'll tell you what it is, what caused it and how to fix iPhone stuck on home critical alerts. What are home critical alerts on iPhone? Home critical alerts are notifications sending from Home app, asking whether you allow it to remind you with critical alerts like security threats or environmental hazards. They often pop up when you first connect the smart home accessories or after setting the iPhone to a do not disturb or silent mode. Why is iPhone stuck on home would like to send you critical alerts? Usually, when iPhone is showing home would like to send you critical alerts, just tap allow or don't allow and the pop-up will disappear. If you find iPhone stuck on home critical alerts and won't respond to any touch, something might go wrong. It can be because the operating system has interfered with unknown bugs or glitches, third-party apps conflicts, or due to outdated operating system. It's also possible that the Home app settings are corrupted, thereby leading to iPhone stuck on home critical alerts. Now, follow me to go through some workable solutions you can try to fix iPhone Home would like to send you critical alerts stuck issue. Don't worry if you're a novice of digital devices or a new iPhone user. We'll introduce all the methods to turn off home critical alerts on the iPhone step by step. They work for all iPhone models running from older iOS versions like iOS 12 to later iOS versions like iOS 18. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. Start with a simple restart. When you first get the iPhone stuck on home critical alerts message on your iPhone screen and it won't go away, there are some simple things to do first. 1 is to turn off the Do Not Disturb in the control center. 2 is to turn off the silent mode. If the issue remains, restart the device to fix iPhone stuck on home critical alerts. Follow the steps below to do that. If you're using an iPhone 10, 11, or later iPhone models, do this to restart your iPhone. Press and hold the volume up or down button and the side button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to the right and wait 30 seconds for your device to turn off. To turn your device back on, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. If you're using an iPhone 8 or older iPhone models, do this to restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to the right and wait 30 seconds for your device to turn off. To turn your device back on, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Now, see if you remove home critical alerts on iPhone after the reboot. You can also try turning off the Do Not Disturb in the control center and continue with a forced restart. Sometimes, the iPhone stuck on home critical alerts error freezes the screen and makes it hard to touch or turn off. A forced restart would be a lifesaver, making it possible to turn off the stuck iPhone without touching the display. Follow the steps below to do that. If you're using an iPhone 8, iPhone 10, or later iPhone models, do this to force restart your device. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. If you're using an iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, do this to force restart your device. Press and hold both the volume down button and side button. Continue holding both buttons until you see the Apple logo. If you're using iPhone 6s or older iPhone models, do this to force restart your device. Press and hold both the home button and the sleep or wake button. Continue holding both buttons until you see the Apple logo. Hope you can now get rid of iPhone stuck on home critical alerts problem. Reset HomeKit configuration. Sometimes, a single app doesn't display notifications. If iPhone says Home would like to send you critical alerts and doesn't go away, it's possible that you accidentally revoked its permissions. Or there are conflicts inside the HomeKit settings trigger the alerts. For that, resetting HomeKit configuration can help eliminate this possibility. Follow the steps below to do that. On your iPhone, open the Home app. From the upper left corner, tap the Home icon. Select Home Settings. Scroll down to find the home you'd like to reset and tap it. Choose Remove Home and confirm. Now, the HomeKit configuration has been reset. See if the home would like to send you critical alerts error goes away from your iPhone. Disable the critical alert notifications if you don't need Home app. For those who don't use Home app but get stuck on iPhone Home critical alerts, just toggle off the critical alerts settings in notifications. Follow the steps below to do that. Go to Settings. Scroll down to find and select Notifications. Browse through the list of given apps. Find and tap the Home app. Toggle the slider of critical alerts to the gray state. Now see if it turns off iPhone Home would like to send you critical alerts. Install the latest iOS that's compatible with your iPhone. The notification is controlled not only by the app, but also by the system. If the operating system is too old and outdated, it can't compatible with the app and finally leads to the conflict and causes critical alerts iPhone stuck message. To find out if the old iOS is the cause, follow the steps below to update your iPhone. Get a working USB cable. Get a Windows or a Mac laptop or desktop. Download Apple Devices app, iTunes or Finder application on your computer. Get your black screen iPhone. Once you've prepared everything, now let's start. Run Apple Devices app, iTunes or Finder on your computer. Use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to a computer. Depending on your iPhone model, you'll need to follow different steps to enter recovery mode. For iPhone 8 and later models, press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, press and hold the volume down button and the side button simultaneously until the recovery mode screen appears. For iPhone 6s and earlier models, press and hold the home button and the side, or top, button simultaneously until the recovery mode screen appears. Once your iPhone is in recovery mode, iTunes or Finder will detect it and prompt you to update or restore your device. Choose the update option to download and install the latest available iOS version. The process might take a very long time, but it's worth it. Once done, let your iPhone restart. After the phone turns on, see if the critical alerts iPhone stuck issue is solved. Restore iPhone back to its factory settings. This should be your last step to fix the critical alerts iPhone stuck error, as it'll delete everything on your phone. Though, it's powerful enough to clear away all kinds of software virus or errors exposed or hidden on your phone system and get your device back to its working order. After you've checked the accessible backups for the phone data, follow the steps below to restore your iPhone. Run Apple Devices app, iTunes or Finder on your computer. Use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to a computer. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter recovery mode. For my iPhone 11, I'll need to press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. Now, when you see this dialog box in your computer, choose the Restore option to erase all data and settings on your iPhone and restore it to its factory settings. Wait for the restore process to complete. Maybe 1 hour, maybe 3 hours. After the restore is complete, your iPhone should restart and prompt you to go through the initial setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device. Now, you should manage to get rid of home critical alerts stuck on iPhone. And there you have it, folks. Hope the solutions in this video help fix an iPhone stuck on home critical alerts. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in getting your iPhone back in working condition. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more tech-related content. Until next time.